My name's Kelvin, currently residing in Manchester with my partner and my 2 children. We pay for the energy via prepayment because before the smart meters were installed, we had to rely on the local convenience stores in order to top up. But these days, it's just a case of either topping up online or using my mobile phone, which makes it a lot more simpler to use. Since having the smart meter installed, it's allowed us to monitor what we actually spend. It's made budgeting a lot more easier. Beforehand, it was just a case of having the computer on standby, but since having the smart meter installed, it's been a case of switching it off at night, switching off light bulbs, switching off the TV when it's not in use. It's simple things like that that you can actually make a saving. I would definitely recommend a smart meter to my friends and family.